In this video, we're going to talk about SmartCrawl for WordPress. Now, this is a plugin that will help you to increase your efficiency in your website. It's gonna optimize basically the part concerning the SEO, so the search engine optimization. So it's gonna help you to check if everything is okay and analyze eventually what you need to do to improve your website, and also to optimize, so improve the performance and the experience that the user will have in searching, finding, and getting into your website. So this is not an optimizer concerning the how your website will be fast or how it will be easy to use, basically, but it's everything is about finding, searching and finding. So it's working on Google and Bing search engines and other search engines. Now you can see here with in this website, with this information down here, you will find anything you need to know more specific about the plugin. So I will just show you a couple of important settings, and then you can, if you want, you can study by yourself, let's say like this. Okay, so first of all, I need to be in my dashboard in my WordPress website, and I need to go into the plugins. So let me open up here, and as usual, I need to click to add new, to add a new plugin, and I'm going to type just crawl, and it's gonna show me the different plugins. The one that I need is this one here, SmartCrawl WordPress SEO SEO Checker, SEO Analyzer, SEO Optimizer. And I already installed it and activated, as you can see right here. But if you didn't and you don't know how to do, it's pretty simple. Just click on this button here, install it, and then you click on activate to activate it. So I have already installed it, but I need to activate it right now with you. So I will click here, and it's gonna show me a message in a supposedly brief time. Okay, there you go. So it's telling me, there you go, I activated your plugin. Now where do I find it? I go here in the left side. So I scroll down all this menu, and here it is. It's there you go, SmartCrawl. Hummingbird and Smoosh are two different plugins that we already talked about in other videos. These can be used for optimizing your the code of your website. So it's gonna be like faster and optimized in terms of speed and efficiency. And Smoosh is gonna work on your images as well. It's gonna compress it and make it make your pages faster and so on. So I also suggest you give it a look in our YouTube channel, and you can just type JBDTube, get inside here, type search, and here you can type the thing that you are looking for. For example, Hummingbird, and you're gonna find, or WordPress. Now, if you want the English courses and guides, go to the playlists. These are English video courses right here at the top, and down below you will find the English video guides. And we publish videos and guides every day, so subscribe, stay connected. Also check our community and store, and if you want, you can also subscribe to the Twitch account and other initiatives and projects that we are going through. So for example, in Twitch we want to create live sessions and other lessons there. Okay, so now let's get back to our plugin here. So I will open up SmartCrawl by clicking here. Okay, you can see I already did a checkup, and it's giving me this score here, which is my current SEO score. And this is talking about how much my website it's ranked in Google, how I can Well, if this is too low, I probably have too many issues here. You can see I only have 3 issues. I am lacking some alternate text for images, and I can solve this by just typing more alternate text in images. If you don't know what that is, just make another search in Google. It's pretty easy to understand. And also I have some linking problems, maybe with some links I have inserted, but anyway, it doesn't matter. This is gonna just tell you what your issues are. You can click here on Run Checkup, and it's gonna do a scan for you. It's gonna scan your entire site and show you where the problems are apparently. So let's go to the second one here, which is SEO Checkup. And this is again the checkup that I already did. You can click here to run another checkup, or here to view documentation. And down below you will find all the issues. Well, I only have 3, so this is why I get a really high score. And you can see all this stuff has been taken care of. So this is why I have a high score. So if you miss some of this stuff, supposedly this plugin here is gonna solve it for you, or it's gonna try to solve it, or maybe give you some suggestions. You can click here, you will find suggestions, and you can see here I have problems with these images in particular, so it's gonna tell me as well that where I have problems, the links where I find some issues. Okay, and also you can see here it's gonna show you the most important things in the search engine optimization, which are title descriptions and meta tags, but also, for example, sitemap. Sitemap is pretty important. You need to have this set up, and usually this is automatically set by Wordpress, if I remember correctly. But if you don't have this is going to be a real problem if you need to communicate with Google and update your changes and so on. So you have a lot of tools here you can explore yourself. You also have other settings, so just take your time and go through everything here. You're gonna find some interesting stuff. Now, if you are interested in what SEO in Google means, you can search for like SEO Google. Sorry, it's not SEO, I think it's SEO in English. Okay, so you can go directly into Google, because Google gives you the possibility to read a complete guide on how to optimize your website. So basically, make sure that everything is suggested here, it's applied on your website. All right, so this is all for this video guide. Thanks for watching. Please again subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our Twitch and other projects. Support us in the community page with these links here, and also through the store. And that's it. See you in the next video.